So last week I got my first watch of 2024 and I thought, okay, I have to slow down my roll. But I got a watch that I pre-ordered last year, so does it count? I don't know, but this is my second watch to add in the collection in 2024, and as you can see from the logo on the leather travel pouch, I would say, or case, Erebus from Jody and Steven. So I pre-ordered this one as soon as as Jody announced on his channel, one more watch that he is going on a journey to create his own micro brand, and I thought I definitely have to get myself one of these. Oops, these yellow ones, as you can see here. I opted for the H-Link because I have a medium-sized wrist, and I thought, so we have here the picture of Jody and Stevie, or Steven, thanks guys, and my card, international warranty for the watch. I have here a cloth to clean the watch, which is always welcomed, and like I said, a nice traveling pouch. And I opted, like I said, for the extra straps as well, because I'm a strapped person. So I have a black NATO, as you can see, a FKM black crubber, and another one. So I'll keep this how they will look on the watch in the review video. So let me take the stickers of the watch. Well packed, I have to say. So I have here the bracelet, milled clasp. Maybe I'll fast forward this because I cannot find the part where I can take the plastic off the watch without. Yeah, I'll just pause here, take all these stickers out. I know some people like these kind of stickers taking off moments. Yeah, actually it's done. Okay, yeah, that's good. So what I like about these bracelets is this easy to take off spring bars, which makes it much easier to change the look of the watch. Here we have the watch, really nice. I'm really liking the dial. Screw down crown, as it's a 200-meter diver, hacking, like I said, hand winding as well, 120 click ceramic bezel, and I think you all know that the LUME will be quite good as well. Trying to take the sticker off of the back and just cut my nails, so I don't have any nails. So yeah. Oh, I have a scratch on the watch. Oh, yeah, that's totally my fault. Yeah, so let me get the caliper to give you the basic specifications of the watch. I'm just too excited. 42 millimeters in diameter, 48 lug to lug, I think, or 49, thickness of 12.5, and the lug width of, you guessed it, 20 millimeters. So we have here the yellow dial and the LUME on the bezel, and on the dial and on the hands, I think, are all quite good. I have to test it on a long period of time, but I think Jody was one of the people who always looked on LUME as one of the criteria. He always reviewed heavily in his videos, even with the LUME wars. So definitely something that I will be looking for this watch as well. So like I said, I just cut my nails, so it will be not a lot of fun putting the strap, but actually very easily done. This is the first one, the FKM one, I think, and I really like how it looks. Just looks cool, really nice. Put it on this. also Erebus on the buckle. I like this touch. And yeah, I think I'll be wearing this most definitely on this combination, because I really like the black on yellow with the black date as well. So I paid $369 for the watch, including the shipping and 3 straps. I think because of the first phase, I think they have the pre-order, which was less than the price now. I paid around 84 euros in taxes, so also you have to be know about this if you're buying it from the EU. NH35, like I said, inside, dated the 6 o'clock, 200 meters water resistance. The bracelet is a milled H link bracelet. Looks quite nice, quite sturdy, but as soon as I see this, I think, yeah, this just works. And maybe I'll try it on with this one as well, which is also a black FKM. And yeah, 316L steel, sapphire crystal with AR coating, ceramic insert, like I said before. I think I covered everything about this watch. At the moment, I really am excited to try it out and give you all my honest opinion on the watch. I'll even take it on my next trip, and I'll be making also a video on what I'm taking on my next trip, which will be 3 weeks. So this one will be the one to take on swimming, and as well in any kind of task that will be needed as a beater watch. I think this one will be the watch and the 3 watch collection that I will take. Really nice how the chamfers work from the sides, the brushed and the polished edges give it a really nice look for the lugs that go down. Really cool. Okay, so if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, let me know in the comment section, and as always, it's an invitation to subscribe, and you might find a video on the left or on the right that interests you. See you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.